Hello everybody, my name is Subhansh Mishra. Today I am going to measure rainfall level. Do you see I have a glass and I am going to put 25 ml water in the glass.
And you will mark on the glass?
Yes.
So these markings you have done, I think 5 to 6 times.
Yes.
After every 25 ml of cap.
Yes.
Okay, so that you got 5 to 6 markings on that glass. Now what next?
I will remove the glass water and place a funnel on it, and when the rainfall starts I will keep it in the rain, and after it ends I will see how much water goes in the glass, and then we got our rainfall level. Do you know there are also scientists which are called meteorologists? Do you want to be a meteorologist?
What do meteorologists do?
They measure the rainfall level.
Okay.
I hope you'll try this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you.